Good morning, humans. It's morning. Yeah, it is.
Some tears of joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a lion.
I've already had a cat fight. What I had was Spike was on my lap, and Brave came up and saw him, and then turned around and attacked him, and kind of got injured. So now he's in there pouting. He can pout all he wants. I don't care. He's bad. Yeah, but I'm watching some YouTube. Actually, not YouTube. There's this guy, Ben Palmer. He's a comedian. He trolls people on Facebook. It's hysterical. He did a live stream the other day, and I'm watching that because I don't have anything. Well, I do have stuff I have to watch, but I don't feel like watching any of that yet. Like, oh, I just want to sit here and chill for a few hours before I have to be at work at 2. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and eat some more of my buffalo chicken dip. I've ate half of it already. Oh my. I'm a pig, but it's delicious. It truly is. What is this, Spike? What is it? What is it? Really? What you gonna do about it? Your brother's there. You gonna be sneaky? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. But you can't see because the light is too bright coming from the window. There's a bird out there and he saw it and he wanted to talk to it. Got him like sleek. He's just not gonna pay attention to me and I'm gonna slink right by, and maybe I'll stop here and make it look like a meeting. No, I'm actually gonna stop and eat. Don't let my brother know. I really just wanted to look at that bird. Hi. Hello. Good evening. I'm home. I have a headache. I've been home for over an hour. I was playing a game and editing and eating and doing all kinds of stuff. Now I'm here. But again, I have a headache. Will you not do that to your sister? Was that necessary? You're lucky your brother's over here with his back turned to you. So, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just killing time, I think. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. Maybe read something on my tablet here. We'll see. Night's still young. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think that I might have a migraine coming on. I'm gonna take a really hot shower and hope it helps and go to bed. So if you guys are new and you haven't already, please hit subscribe down below, hit that bell notification so you know when I upload. Give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys tomorrow early-ish, hopefully, as long as I'm feeling well. Night.